Hey, welcome back to the March Portfolio Update. I hope you'll find the information in this video useful, but disclaimer, please note that this is not investing advice. It's just my portfolio as it stands on Tuesday, April 1st, and it can change at any time without previous notification. Following an investment strategy without doing the work yourself is almost guaranteed to result in losses. So please be careful since it's your responsibility to do your own research before investing. In this month's bonus section, we'll talk about why you should only try to make easy money. But let's not get ahead of ourselves too much and begin as usual with the portfolio activity in the past month. In March, I did not sell anything and started reinvesting some of the cash I got last month in some Fidelis government bonds with 1 year maturity at 6.80% yield in RON. I also bought a little bit more Bitcoin and accumulated some more shares in two Romanian companies, Norofer Group and Boursa de Valori Bucharest, and in the US tech companies Amazon, Google, and UiPath. I also added a new company, Adobe, to the watch list. Due to the current uncertainty, I think it's a good time to start accumulating. Not a lot, since it can get down much more, but prices seems to look a lot better than 2-3 months ago. In terms of cash flow, I just got my semi-annual impact developer bond dividend and I'm waiting for the S&P 500 Q2 dividend, which should come sometime later today or maybe tomorrow. That being said, the portfolio as of April 1st, 2025 looks something like this. Please pause the video if you want to analyze each investment in detail. There are some good news and some bad news. Two of the companies that I was accumulating the past few months, Norofer and Simtel, reported very good results and jumped about 10-15% each. However, there is the Restart Energy bond, ticker REO26, position 5 in the Excel, that dropped sharply, minus 30% in 2 days, and will probably drop more because the co-owners of the companies were arrested last week in, of all things, a crypto scam. This, as of right now, seems unrelated to the main green energy company. However, things may change and there is a non-zero probability of losing the principal invested or about 1% of the portfolio. Of course, this is not great, but it won't be a huge problem. The investment ties well in the theme of today's video, since for a 5-year 9% return in RON, I had some trouble every year with something new coming up with this company. So, an important lesson learned here. That being said, the current pyramid allocation portfolio looks something like this. Overall, the portfolio was down for the second month in a row, this month which is minus 0.71% and is almost flat for the year after an excellent January. All things considered, I think that the pyramid portfolio performed well in this environment. As you assume, most assets are down due to tomorrow's US tariffs, except gold, which performed excellent so far this year and actually, to be honest, saved the month. Before going to the next section, if you are interested in the subject, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps bringing this completely free information to more and more people. As mentioned at the beginning, in today's bonus section, we'll talk about why you should only try to make easy money. What is investing? According to the Oxford Dictionary, to invest in financial terms is to put money into financial schemes, shares, property, or a commercial venture with the expectation of achieving a profit. But investing is not figure skating, where hard to execute exercises are mandatory in order to get the most points. You can also win with simple, evident investments, or, as the title said, to make the easy money. It usually takes the same time and effort to do big business or small business. It's not like you work or analyze an asset for an hour and you make $1,000. You analyze it for 2 hours, you make $2,000. Someone can analyze a stock for 10 hours and make $1,000, and another person analyzes something else for the same 10 hours but maybe makes 1 million. You don't have to swing at every ball thrown at you. You don't have to jump on every opportunity that comes your way in investing. Wait for the ones that make the most sense to you and focus on them. You are not forced to invest in companies that have complicated structures or in assets with an uncertain future or at a time when there is geopolitical unrest, etc. If you like this topic, I also recommend you to watch the Effort Does Not Equals Results video. The link is in the description to get an even deeper understanding of this topic. Everybody loves the basketball player that makes the 3 point shot in the last second of the game. But in order to have the confidence to take that last shot, they have to make a lot of quote unquote easy shots during the game. Same with investing. It is not that you are not allowed to involve yourself in the complicated trades, but you have to make the profit on the easy trades when available to have the financial resources, the know how, and the courage to be able to take part in the complicated ones, which, to be honest, sometimes yield higher profits just because of their nature of being more complex and not everyone seeing the potential upside. The most important organ in investing is not the brain or the heart, but your stomach. Educate yourself in order to spot and profit from clearly undervalued opportunities in the market when they present themselves. Anyway, that's it for today. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what you think about this idea. Have a great month. Sayonara.